I've got a quick tip on how to get epoxy into a small Tang hole in your handle. We all know that this is not the easiest thing to get into the Tang holes. So what I've done is I've got some extra syringes. You can actually buy some, which I've done here. These ones are a little larger, but these small ones work just fine. What you'll do is you'll pull this off of here, pull the needle off, and then get a piece of heat shrink and put the heat shrink around it like that. Heat it up so it gets nice and tight. If your Tang hole's wide enough for that to fit in, then you can just leave it, but mine's not. So I'm just gonna shrink the rest of this until it's small enough to slide down inside of there. Then what I'll do is take the plunger out and then dump my epoxy into the syringe. Which it's much easier to get into here than in a smaller Tang hole. I don't feel right saying Tang hole. Sounds kind of dirty. Okay, then once you get that filled up, slide this down as far in as it'll go and stick the plunger back in, and then just push the epoxy down inside. And if you have to do this a couple times, you can do it as many times as you need to get the hole filled up. But as you can see, it doesn't make a huge mess, and it's a lot easier to fill that hole up. Slide that back in there. And that should be plenty. Looks like it's starting to ooze out the top. So anyway, there's a quick tip.